I'm excited to connect to the mermaid realm once again. So let's connect. The water's kind of a little bit freezing, but we can do it. As it has intention to connect to the beautiful mermaid realm. What kind of message you have for us? For the collective, what kind of message you have for us, my beautiful mermaids? Tune into the mermaid realm. Whew, I'm feeling them very strongly right now. So the mermaids are saying, feel and heal. Feel and heal. Surrender. Heal with the healing waters. Go with the waves. Surrender to it all. Surrender what you're feeling. Almost got a little lightheaded right there. Let the waters cleanse you. Let the waters heal you. It's okay to feel it all. To feel all your emotions. It's okay. It's okay. And the healing waters is here to heal everything that you are feeling at this time. And whatever month that anything that might be coming to the surface for you to feel. So surrender, feel, heal. You can set the intention with the waters. Let waters please heal me. Waters please cleanse my soul. What other message you have for us, my beautiful mermaid realm? Visualize that you're laying down on the beach ground by the healing waters. Visualize yourself surrendering it, feeling it, releasing it. Let the water take it away. Feeling, being cleansed. What no longer serves you anymore. Let it be washed away by the tides. Let it be washed away. Let it be washed away. Let that be washed away. Cry it out. Cry it out. Release it. Let it be washed away by the healing waters. Let the healing waters touch every part of your body. Your head all the way down to your toes. Let it be washed away. Surrender, let it go, release it. I let it go, I let it go, I let it go. That was a very beautiful healing guided meditation that the mermaid had for us. I also feel like in my third eye, the healing waters, they're actually detoxifying, cleansing our third eye right now. That's what the mermaids wants us to know. Our third eye is being open right now with the waters, with the waters, with the waters, with the waters. Yes. So that's what's happening right now. That's what I'm tuning in right now by the mermaid realm. Yeah, they're literally opening up our third eye, cleansing our third eye for us to see our path more clearly. This is why the third eye is being clear right now, healed right now, being open right now. Yeah. So focus on your third eye and visualize that healing waters, that water, you know, penetrating our third eye, being washed away. Is being washed away. In and out, the healing water. So I'm gonna grab some ocean water right now, put it in my third eye. Washed away, being cleansed away, washed away, being cleansed away in my third eye, yes. But yes, that's a message the mermaid realm have for us right now. And the mermaid realm is sending you so much love in your healing journey for you to go back home. To go back home, to go back home, to go back home. That's what it's all about, guys. We're just returning back home. Your soul is returning back home. And this is what's all about, guys. Going back home. So let's go back home, guys. Let's go back home. So thank you, beautiful mermaid realm, for connecting with us and bringing us that beautiful message for us with the healing waters. And I love this so much because, you know, I'm definitely tapping into my water priestess side. And don't forget to talk to the water, speak to the water. I love you, water. Thank you for everything. I love you, love you, love you. Anyone that touches this water is healed, is purified. Anyone that touches this healing water is healed and purified. Yes, yes, yes. So we can return back home. We're in a heart here by the sand. Yes, how beautiful is that? So thank you, beautiful mermaids, for coming in this today's video. Thank you, my beautiful mermaid realm. And until next time, I love you so, so much.